This tutorial will show you how to search the library catalog for books in special collections. The goal of this tutorial is to familiarize catalog users with the search and filter functions, as well as the request process for special collections materials. USC Libraries Special Collections offers a rare books reading room and reference desk for questions concerning special collections materials. Because the materials in special collections are rare and often fragile or valuable, they must be requested in advance through the USC Libraries catalog and are only available to be examined in the Special Collections reading room. Anyone, including the public, can search, request, and examine rare materials in the reading room. Start by going to libraries.usc.edu. The default search bar is set to search through everything. This can be reset in the drop-down menu according to the types of materials you would like to browse or search specifically. In this example, we will be searching for a book in special collections, so you should choose the catalog option from the drop-down menu before starting your search. This refines your search to physical materials housed at USC Libraries. To start your search for a book in special collections, enter the title into the search bar and click the magnifying glass to begin searching. Alternatively, if you're browsing for a broad or specific subject matter in special collections, you may enter a subject into the search bar, such as artist books or coffee and tea. To demonstrate, if you set the category to catalog and type Cicero into the search bar, your search will bring you to a new page, yielding 2,139 results. This new page will give further options on narrowing down your search. In the middle of the page will be a list of your search results in numerical order, sorted by their relevance to the search term, in this case, Cicero. On the left, there is a column titled Refine My Search, which will enable further, more detailed options to filter your results. Scrolling down the list, you can choose Sort by Date Oldest to reorder your search results by publication date, from oldest to newest. Under Material Type, you can choose Books. Most importantly, under Library, choose Special Collections. Now that you have filtered your results down to 140 items, you can further filter by author, language, date, and subject, among others. Choosing the first item, you can see that it is labeled Book above the title, has a short description, below in green says it is available at Special Collections, and in red lists the call number of the book. Clicking on this item's title will take you to the book's catalog information. Scrolling down, you can see under Details, its title, author, subjects, and description. If you are interested in looking at the book in the reading room, scroll back up to the section titled Availability. There is a link here titled Request from Special Collections, which will take you to the Special Collections request system. Here, you must register for an account, which allows you to request this item and examine it in the Special Collections reading room. In the request form, you will need to choose a date for your visit. It can take about a week to retrieve an item because Special Collections materials are stored at multiple locations, so plan in advance for this retrieval time. When you choose a date for your item, you are not required to view the item on that specific date. You will receive an email when your book is ready for use in the reading room, and you will have 4 weeks from the request date to review the book. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the USC Libraries catalog to search for a book in Special Collections. If you are interested in learning other searching tips for USC Libraries, please see our other tutorials.